You work hard. You focus on your goals. You're kind to others. And you stay on your game. But have you thought about everything? In Massachusetts, the law requires health insurance. Thankfully, the Massachusetts Health Connector has got your back with a high-quality health insurance plan at low or no cost. Don't risk what you've worked so hard for. Open enrollment is happening now, but you need to act by January 23rd to get covered. Apply today. Visit mahealthconnector.org or call 1-877-MA-ENROLL. Health Connector, the right place for the right plan.